Off we go. Got a few gliders in the trunk. Oh dude, come on. Hello. Hello. Let's try again. We go to Alicante, paragliding in Santa Pola. Got a few gliders in the trunk. Let's fly. Hope the wind is not too strong. It looks pretty good. Okay, we are here in Santa Pola at the land side. You can actually see 3 tandem gliders in the air. The wind is still very strong. Just going to show you how much space you have for landing here. Sunday, so there's a lot of cars, and as you can see, there's still white caps, so it's fairly strong wind at the moment. But yeah, it's all you have for landing if you want to land at the bottom. Of course you can top land. Let's drive up. Now here we are, launch Santa Pola. Very windy today. We get about 30 kilometers an hour. Cobra launch, necessary in strong wind. Coastal soaring in Santa Pola. The wind calmed down a little bit. It's now 20 to 25 kilometers an hour. Still strong to launch, but in the air it's very soft air and super calm. You see, I don't even touch the brakes for flying. I just fly with weight shifting. It's absolutely awesome. You can fly till sunset, means at least another 3 hours, or as long the wind blows from the right direction. You can see there's still white caps, but less than before, and it's actually really nice. There's not much height you get in this place. The ridge is maybe about 100 meters, so you get maybe on good days you get to 250, 300 meters above sea level. So you can actually do a few wingovers or deep spiral dives, just a few, and then go back to the ridge and soar back up. Enjoy the view from above, Santa Pola Alicante. Let me know when you're nearby, so we might see us in the air. Enjoy, and see you next time. Bye bye. I'm flying a very old glider, the Upco Libra from 2009. As you can see, my synchronization is quite bad with my lips because I had to record the audio, the speech again, because it was just too noisy with the wind and it wouldn't be fun to watch the movie like that. To the side Santa Pola, it's very close to the airport of Alicante. We allowed to fly but of course you are in the airport zone from Alicante. On busy days you will have around 20 to 30 gliders. There is always a few tandems. You can book your tandem flight with me or with one of the shops in Santa Pola, Alicante and surrounding. They cost around 60 euros. Bring your camera with, so you have an unforgettable. The air is very calm on coastal soaring, so you don't need to touch the brakes at all times. Enjoy it once more. In front the launch of Santa Pola, the parking is actually on the left hand side outside the urbanization.